What's going on, guys? In this video, we're going to talk about Alset eHome International. Once again, that's Alset eHome International with the ticker symbol AEI. Guys, if you like the information and analysis that I'm providing in this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. Let's get going. AEI, by the time of this recording, closed at 0.7940. It's up 6.81% during the trading hours, and it's down 9.31% in the after hours. So for me, that's irrelevant because there's not enough volume for the after hours. But if you go to your historical data according to Yahoo Finance, you can clearly see here, guys, that the volume is increasing. So the popularity of the stock is growing among retail investors and smart money alike. Okay, so that should be a good sign right there. So today we have two articles that came up regarding Alset eHome International. One from Defense World. If we go and check on this article, it says here that Alset eHome International CEO Hang Fai Ambrose Chan buys 135,000 shares. So I think this article is not updated, but it came out today, right? So Alset eHome International (AEI) is definitely making noise all over the internet regarding this insider buy. Okay, so it says here on April 6th, he bought this amount of share. April 4th, April 1st, right? March 9th. So that's a huge insider buys. I personally think that yep, this is just some huge noise. And we can go to their SEC filing that I've shown in my previous video about his latest insider buy, which was dated April 7th. So that's the first article that came out today. And the second article that came out today is from Benzinga. So, of course, Benzinga is one of the guys that have a good reputation when it comes to giving us articles. So it says here that Alset eHome International Incorporated, it says here that looking into Alset eHome International Incorporated common stock recent short interest. Alset eHome International's short percent of float has risen 12.63% since its last report. Companies recently reported that it has 698.9 thousand shares sold short, which is 1.07 of all regular shares that are available for trading. Based on its trading volume, it would take traders 0.2 days to cover to cover their short positions on average. So we'll check that later in Fintel. So that's the only website that uh, because these short reports they vary from site to site, like I said. So if we get a report like this, we take it with a grain of salt. So it says here why short interest matters. Short interest is the number of shares that have been sold short but have not been covered or closed out. Short selling is when traders sell shares of company they do not own with the hope of the price that will fall. Traders make money from short selling if the price of the stock falls and lose if it rises. Short interest is important to track because it can act as an indicator of market sentiment towards a particular stock. An increase in short interest can signal that investors have become more bearish, while the decrease in short interest can signal they have become more bullish. So as you can see in the graphs here, March 27, so the short interest is definitely increasing. So comparing Alset eHome International common stock's short interest against its peers. Peer comparison is a popular technique among analysts and investors for gauging how well a company is performing. A company's peer is another company that has similar characteristics to it, such as industry, size, age, and financial structure. You can find a company's peer group by reading its 10K proxy filing or by doing own similarity analysis. So, according to Benzinga Pro, Alset eHome International Incorporated common stock peer group average for short interest as a percentage of float is 0.94%, which means the company has more short interest than most of its peers. So, what do we expect with AEI ahead of tomorrow's trading day? Okay, so as you can see here, with the price action that we just had today in the daily time frame, your RSI is around 67.38. Okay, so in this scenario, as you can see, if we spike at around 75.71, we have a positive price action. Okay, um, now if you go to your 4-hour time frame, still that's the gap that I have drawn in my chart, and we're trying to fill it up. Like I said, hopefully we have found the bottom here at around 0.7454, and that should act as our support. Your VWAP is slowly crawling, okay, right above the 200 EMA. If you go to your 15-minute time frame, okay, the the VWAP is right above your 50, and of course your VWAP is now right above your 200 EMA. We have yet to reclaim that 9 EMA, but as you can see here, our volume today is increasing. It's 13.63 million volume. with an average volume of 7.51 million. I think that it's pretty impressive. The stock is doing good. It's really, really strong. I'm really, really excited with this investment as an investor. Guys, um, if you have any comments, just put them in the comment section below. If you like the information and analysis that I'm providing in this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. Once again, this is your boy, Don Leo Trades. I love you all. Peace out.